all over and to have a very pleasant smell. So apply it in circular motion all over your face, and as you can see, it's a very thin, not gonna leave a residue on the skin. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Hyperpigmentation, dark spots and blemishes on the skin. And these are what most people tend to have sometime or the other. And what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to show you how you could use simple ingredient to make a very effective facial mask that may help you to get rid of dark spots and blemishes and wrinkles and fine lines so that your skin can look younger, fresher, clearer with a natural glow. So if you're looking for one of these remedy, follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you how I make mine so you can use it on your skin to see if it will work for you. Our first ingredient is potato, and today I'm using Irish potato. Do not use sweet potato for this recipe. Now, potato contains an enzyme called catecholase, which helps to brighten skin and get rid of dark spots. You can even use potato juice to lessen the appearance of dark circles. So what I'm going to do with our potato, I'm going to cut it into half since I'm using only a half of a medium potato. And next I'm going to peel the potato. Remove the peel with a knife or a potato peeler. Potato also have anti-aging properties that will help to tighten and firm the skin. It also helps to gently exfoliate the dead skin cell from the surface of your skin. When you use potato on the skin, it will leave your skin clean, clear, bright with a natural glow. Once this is done, we are going to chop it in small pieces for easier blending. Now, if you do not have a blender at this stage, go ahead and use a grater and grate your potato. Once our potato is chopped, I'm going to place my chopped potato in a blender, and then I'm going to introduce a second ingredient. Now, here I have some freshly brewed coffee. And coffee have antioxidant properties more than even green tea. Coffee will help to boost collagen production. It helps to fight wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. It helps to smooth the skin. It will also help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation, brighten the skin, and leave the skin just fresher and younger looking. So to use our coffee, I'm going to pour about 3 tablespoons of the coffee in the blender with the potato. Now, if you do not have coffee, you can substitute with some green tea or some matcha powder. And now we are going to blend. Now, after blending, we are going to extract our juice. So what we're going to do, we are going to strain. I'm using a strainer. You can use a cheesecloth or any other straining method you might have. So just pour our blended potato and coffee in our strainer, and now let's just strain. After straining, take a look. Here we have our coffee potato mixture. So what we're going to do with this, we are going to put it to the side and we're going to introduce our next ingredient. Today I'm going to be using pomegranate gel. If you do not have pomegranate gel, you can choose to use some pomegranate juice in this recipe. Now, pomegranate contains antioxidants that benefit the skin by smoothing wrinkles and fine lines. It has natural vitamin C properties which will help to brighten the skin skin, it also helps to regulate the production of sebum and oily secretion, which may cause acne on the skin. Pomegranate also helps to refresh the skin, and when used on a regular, it will leave the skin clear from hyperpigmentation and also from wrinkles and fine lines. This recipe, I'm also going to be using some honey, and honey will help to hydrate the skin, lock that moisture in the skin, keep the skin soft, supple, and firm. So now that the ingredients are out of the way, let's put our facial mask together. Now I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of the potato coffee mixture, and I'm pouring this in my container. Use a small jar for this. Next, I'm using my honey, and I'm using 1 teaspoon of the honey. Let's pour this in. And then I'm reaching for the pomegranate. I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of the pomegranate gel. A good substitute for the pomegranate gel is aloe vera gel. Next, we're reaching for some coconut oil, and I'm using a half of a teaspoon of coconut oil. You can substitute the coconut oil with any of your favorite oil: olive oil, grapeseed oil, or even some sweet almond oil. Coconut oils have anti-inflammatory properties which help to reduce inflammation. Therefore, it is good for acne-prone skin. It also helps to lock the moisture in the skin, keep the skin hydrated, soft, supple, and it can also leave the skin with a natural glow. And now we are going to blend, and we're going to blend well. I'm not blending it well in my small jar, so I'm going to pour this in a bowl, and I'm going to whisk this. You can also choose to pour this back in a blender and blend. So keep blending until all the ingredients are infused together. And once this is done, what you're going to do, you are going to set this aside for about, a couple of hours or so, just to let the ingredients just infuse and just settle together. Now, once this is done, your mask is ready to use. You can keep this in your refrigerator for about 7 days or so. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to use this mask on your face for best result. So here we have the facial mask, and this facial mask has a serumy consistency, so it's not gonna leave a thick layer on the skin. So you want to cleanse your skin before you apply the mask. I like to use this facial mask at night. So just pour a little bit in your hands, and then you're just gonna rub it in your hands, and look at that, it's almost disappear in the hands. Then you're gonna apply it on your face all over, and it has a very pleasant smell. So apply it in circular motion all over your face, and as you can see, it's a very thin, not gonna leave a residue on the skin. So you're not gonna feel like you're wearing a facial mask. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna leave it on the skin. The mask is gonna dry on the skin within about 5 minutes. You're gonna start to feel a tightening sensation. Not to worry, that is how you need to sleep with this facial mask. Now, upon arising in the morning, you wanna rinse this mask off, preferably with some cold water. After about a week or so, you're gonna notice a significant difference to the skin. Just keep using your overnight hyperpigmentation facial mask that's going to clear the skin of spots and blemishes, smooth the wrinkles and fine lines, and leave your skin just looking younger, fresher, with a natural glow. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video. Leave your comments. Those are always welcome. And if this was your first time watching, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.